Hello, my name is Jason Huffman. I'm a product manager in Data Cloud, and I'd like to take you on our interesting fictional journey for the company known as Vroom Auto and how they are expanding their solutions to leverage and harness the power of Salesforce Data Cloud. Welcome to Vroom Auto. We are deeply passionate about making sure that our customers are able to find the exact vehicle that fits their specific needs. And we've developed our robust search utility that allows customers to quickly and easily search through our cars, tailor their cars for their needs. And while we've been on this journey, we've done a phenomenal job of tracking all the data for all the configurations that our customers have made, including whether or not they purchased a vehicle. Now, we've never been able to really unlock that information, but I'm going to walk you through how we could do this with the Salesforce Data Cloud. So first, we take all that information and we're uploading it into Data Cloud. And using Einstein Studio, we're able to unlock that there's interesting signals of the configuration patterns within our consumers that allow us to understand that there might be opportunity for us to predict cars that they are interested in actually purchasing. And so we just have to connect now the new incoming data to Data Cloud. And with that, we can trigger flows that leverage the model that we curated that allow us to understand whether or not they scored well enough that we can create a new lead that our amazing Salesforce can go in and then take action on. So now when the user is clicking around, when they're configuring their automobile, this is sent to Data Cloud today, and those leads are automatically created when we identify the valuable signal. So with that, let me quickly go into a demo of how we completed this activity. So here we have our standard interface where users are able to customize their car. And as they enter their information to be able to save their configuration information, that's allowed us to track what we needed to capture the data that's required for this solution. So as they're determining what are the best options that they would prefer, we have always been tracking this data. So with the data that we had tracked, we started our journey by first creating our model. This is very simple and easy. We uploaded our data to Data Cloud, and we simply need to inform the model builder of where is our source of data, and we had our Vroom Auto training data conveniently located here. We're going to go ahead and leverage that we want to look for signal across all the records, and we want to optimize for when the car was sold, which for us would be the true value here. We can select many of the variables. There were some additional ones that were uploaded that won't be as critical. We can deselect what's not necessary and continue on and allow Einstein Studio to select automatically the optimal model for us, or we can choose the model that's best for our specific needs. We went with the default, and everything was good to go, and we simply just had to run the model and have it trained. So now that we have our model available inside of Data Cloud, users who are selecting their cars now, we're sending the signal directly into Data Cloud via a web connector. And so that's what we have fired up here, and you can see all these different interactions with folks who are selecting their cars captured directly in Data Cloud. Once that data is in Data Cloud, it's triggered for a flow, and our model calculates based on the data that's coming in and the signal that we've seen historically to determine if the opportunity for a person to purchase a car is significant. We go ahead and create our new lead, and if it's not, we have some logging information that we'd like to perform. You're able to do whatever you want with this additional information. And at the end of the journey, here we have our recently viewed lead for Jason, who was looking at his automobile. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed the demo.